Okay, welcome to Daisyyumland. Here we are in Big Boy's room, in his toy cupboards, and we're just wondering what to show you next. There's the counting cookies we showed you in another vid. What should we show them, Big Boy? Pick something.
What about we show these animals?
Animals, okay. Come over here, here's a good spot.
These are small counting animals, as we like to call.
Okay, let's tip them out. These are made of rubber, super plastic. Super plastic, super rubbery. They're rubbery and lovely and animals, which we all love here at Daisyyumland.
And these are farm animals.
They are so colourful.
Yes, they are. All sorts of
So
colours.
what types of farm animals have we got?
And we have only got 4 of each.
4 of each,
So,
okay.
so start with the cows, and cows go moo. Here's a yellow cow.
Cool.
And I forgot to mention that cow in French is la vache.
Yeah, cool.
And purple cow. Other cows.
I see an orange cow there. Is that
An orange cow, yes, and a green cow.
cool?
And
What else?
what
What
about
can you see, Daisyyum fans?
le cheval, horse, and we say neigh.
Cool.
Where's the other horse? There. Okay, we have a red horse, yellow horse, blue horse, and green horse.
Of course.
Now, here are some ducks, le canard. We have 4.
Le canard bleu, le canard rouge, le canard vert, et le canard orange. Oh,
Okay. We
very
have...
nice. You can see all of their feather markings. That's quite cool.
Okay. Quack, quack, or quack, quack.
Mm.
Here's a red duck.
Quatre, canard,
Quatre.
or quactre.
Quatre. Quatre.
Okay, what else?
And a orange
Yeah, we see the duck. Come on, move on.
green duck, blue. Okay, okay. Sheep, le mouton. Okay, 4. Batre.
Very good instead of quatre.
And
Batre.
And if there was 8 sheep, it would be 8 in Chinese. Ba.
Oh, cool. Okay, show.
So
Hold them under the camera so we can see. There we go.
red
Le
sheep,
mouton rouge. Le
orange,
mouton orange.
blue,
Le mouton bleu. Le mouton
Purple.
violet.
Okay, and le cochon. Piggies, we say oink, and okay, we have red. Oh, they keep dropping these piggies. Red, orange. Just about to say green, but it's yellow.
You're all right.
And purple. And last but not least, we have chickens, but clock, or maybe they're roosters. Cock-a-doodle-doo. And we have, oh dear, not again. Yellow chicken and blue chicken, purple chicken and big chicken. Okay, green chicken. Okay.
Cool, and that was just a quick vid for you guys of some of our toys. Tune in and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!